Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to see about what is DDL commands and DML commands in SQL Server. DDL is known as data definition languages, which are used to create the definition for your database. For example, in DDL commands we are going to see about create, alter, drop, truncate, and those are the DDL commands. And in DML we are going to see about the select, update, insert and delete operations. Let's see everything with an example in our SSMS. So I have connected to my SSMS. I am under my training DB. So there is DDL commands in SQL Server, which means data definition language. It has 4 commands, which is a create command, and you can use this create command to create anything. If you need a database, you can use the create command and create the database using create database and your database name. Let's say for sample1. When I press Ctrl E, it is executing the command, so it is created. Let me refresh this. So I got the sample1 database under my server, so I can use this and connect to this database. So you can also use this create command to create tables. Say for example create table, and you can use sample table. You can provide ID column, teacher, and name column, so I got the sample table under my database. So here is my table, sample table. So we can also create views using this create statement. Let's say for example employee. So we use this in our previous session. So I need the first name, last name and salary of the employees as a view. Let me create a view using the create view command and name it as m salary as. Can give the select first name, I only need the first name, last name and the salary. So let me create this. If I try to access this view using the select statement, then I got the first name, last name and salary only in this view. A view is a virtual storage where you have the reference for any tables. You can also join multiple tables and create a view which will not incur any storage for you in the database. You can create view using this create command. You can create a stored procedure. Let's say for example create procedure. Let's give us sample procedure, and let's say I need empid as a integer, and let me use the begin statement. I need to perform a delete operation, delete from this employee table where the employee ID, let's say we have ID column. You can give the ID equal to the employee ID, and you can end this procedure. You need to specify so now the procedure got created. If so, let me select this table. Now I need to delete the employee 20 Lucas Adam. So let me execute this procedure by passing the employee ID. Let's say for example you can execute the procedure using execute and the procedure name along with the parameter. I need to delete the parameter ID 20. Let me execute this. One row got affected. So now let's select this table. So the employee with the ID 20 has been deleted using the view. You can using the stored procedure. You can create views, stored procedures, and functions, tables, anything using this create command. Create is a more powerful command in SQL Server. So next in DDL commands you can see about alter commands. Alter command is used to modify any names. Let's say for example I need to modify this table name. You can use this alter command. You can also even rename the columns. You can add columns in the table. Let's say for example I need a age column in this table. Say alter table name, add. You need to specify the column name, age, and the data type integer. Let me execute this. So commands completed successfully. So if I select this table, so I got the age column in this sample table. So you can use this alter command. Even you can rename the column. You can rename the table name. You can also use the alter command to rename the database and anything using this alter command. And next thing in DDL command is the drop command. The drop command is used to completely delete the entire records. For example, I need to drop the table sample table. So while I try to drop this drop table, you can use this command to drop this table. So when I execute this, the command got executed successfully. When I try to execute this, I cannot access this because the sample table has been dropped. So you can use this drop command to drop tables, drop stored procedures, drop views, and drop the databases even. You can also use the drop command to drop your stored procedures. You can use drop procedure and your procedure name to drop the procedures. You can drop the procedures using the drop command. So dropping the drop command is very much useful for you to drop anything that you have created in your database. So the last command in DDL is the truncate command. We have already seen this command. Truncate command will delete all the records from the table, and if there is an identity column, it will automatically resets the identity and starts with the new default one. So let's say for example, I have 25 rows in this employee table. Let me use this truncate statement to truncate this table. Let's execute this. The command got executed successfully. Let's select this table now. So there is 0 records. All the rows got deleted using the truncate command. So these all are the DDL commands available in SQL Server. And let's see about what are the DML commands. So for DML commands, we have select command. We can use this to select the records in our table and view this. The select command is very much useful for us in many purposes. We can view every records using this select command. You can also use this select as select to insert the values too. So the next DML command is the insert command. So let me create this table first. So there is already the table present. We can use the drop command to drop this table, and now we can create this table. Let's create this. So now I need to insert some records inside the table. You can use the insert command. Insert command is a DML command present in SQL Server, with which you can insert the values inside your table. Let's see, we can use the table name and values. I need to specify the ID and the name. And the ID Let me try to execute this. 3 rows got affected. Let me select this. So there are 3 records inside my table. I need to change the name of the student in ID2. I can use the update command. Update is the third command in DML which we can use to update the records. You need to specify the table name and set what column you need to update the value. I need to update the name, set to Jason, where the ID is equal to 2. So now when I try to execute this statement, one row got affected. Let us select the sample table. So now the ID2 name has been changed using the update command. So finally the fourth DML command present in SQL Server is the delete command. So I need to delete this student from my table, so I can use delete from the table name, where I need to specify from the ID2. So the record in the ID2 got deleted. Let us select and see that. So the student with ID2 got been deleted. If I need to delete every rows at once, you can use the DDL command, truncate table and the table name. So now the schema of the table will remains, but all the records will be deleted. If I don't need the table entirely without schema, so I can use the drop command and drop the table. So today we have learned about what all are the data definition language and data manipulation language commands available in SQL Server. In DDL commands, we have learned about the create command and the truncate command and the drop command. In DML, we have seen the select, insert, update and delete commands. So I hope you understood all those DML and DDL commands. Let me provide the GitHub link where you can find the solution. Please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.